Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an advertisement that you don't like. You should say, when did you see it? What is it about? Where you saw it? How you came to know about it? Why you didn't like it?
I recall seeing such an ad last week while watching a YouTube video. The ad was promoting a new type of toothbrush, and it appeared without any warning or indication that it was coming. The ad played for about 30 seconds before I could skip it and continue watching the video I was interested in. I came across the ad while browsing YouTube and watching videos. These ads are often shown before the actual video begins, and they can also appear during the video, which can be very distracting. I usually skip these ads as soon as I can, but sometimes they don't allow me to do so. The reason I don't like these ads is that they are intrusive and disrupt my viewing experience. They can be quite long, and they often appear at the most inconvenient time, such as when I'm trying to concentrate on a video. These ads also make it difficult to find and watch the content that I am interested in, which is frustrating. Moreover, some of these ads are not even relevant to me, which means that I have to sit through them without any benefit. I understand that companies need to advertise their products, but I think there are better ways to do so that don't interrupt my viewing experience. Overall, these ads are an annoyance that I could do without. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.